safety is by far the top priority in everything that we do.
We do have our safety meetings, our toolbox talks, where we sit back and we look at the job and kind of map and plan things out, look at what might be some of the potential hazards and how we can avoid those. The goal is that everybody can make it home at the end of the day.
First off, we were able, to put the training up front and get the guys qualified and get them through all their safety trainings and their MSHA and OSHA before putting them out in the field in that environment. It's just a mutual respect. Within this job, we put ourselves in harm's way quite often with the belt tensions that we work with the environment we're in. So, it has to be looked at as just a respect for yourself and for your employees and your customers. It's that important. Our top priority is to create a safety culture that exceeds all the other expectations of the job. I'm putting that first.
The number one thing that everybody always wants us to do is maintain safety. Even if we do get behind schedule or things don't go well, they always want us to be safe, because the bottom line is everybody wants to go home at the end of the day. They don't want to be responsible for us having gotten hurt on their mine site.
Get the job done well and right, and everybody leaves the job site safe and sound, and that's good for them and good for us. Just do your best to relay what you're doing and what you're doing to make the job go smooth and everybody's happy.
Our goal is to build partnerships. It's not just looking for jobs to be one and done. We want to build a relationship where we're first call and they have complete confidence in us that we're going to come out, deliver, and go home safe.
Being able to respond with the right amount of people to get the job done, be able to perform, and be able to bring our people home safely. Many people take for granted when we do our jobs. It's a dangerous job. This heavy black belt in these copper mines and the industry we're in is dangerous. That's the most important thing to me, is bringing our people home, as well as taking care of our customer, but the safety of our people is number one.
Being able to complete a major project under time, gain the respect of your customers, and be appreciated for what you've done. Load up in the trucks and drive home safely. Any day that you can achieve those goals is the best day on the job.
We keep our employees in our first thought, as well as our customers in our first thought, that we accomplish both the goals of satisfying the customer as well as taking care of the employees' needs at the same time.
Those are the expectations, nothing less.